Get in the car.
I don't know. Highway Patrol asks that you please remain stationary.
Special report from you, live from Epicenter in Rockingham, North Carolina. This is Anderson Drunken Stupor. Unfortunately, Wolf Blitzensfuck cannot be here today. But we have a slip and slide, folks, and tents, and we did survive a severe thunderstorm warning and tornado. It's definitely lit, Finn. Fly like a G6. He did a barrel roll.
Did he?
No. Not quite. He almost did. Hold my beer. Yep. Shark is on the way. Oh! Shark is on the way. Oh no. That was Tim's for style on that one. Pizza! 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 Fuck! Come on, let's push it. Let's push it. Put it in the fire. We're gonna push it. Put it in the fire. Ready? Ready? Yeah! Oh, the chicken went. Fucking great. Nice. Got a re-wetting operation. Oh. Well done, guys. Sweep in front of him. Curling. Curling. Oh, shit. You may tell. Actually, hey.
Oh, only halfway, that's bullshit.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, and he stayed on the board. Fuck that! Impressive. There you go. All right. There you go. Woo. Gas patcher. Butt scratcher.
Yeah, lube that hole up really good.
Where's Mark? He's got plenty of lube. Oh, there you go. Our boy thought he packed sunscreen. Yeah, wrap it up nice. He needs protection.
Bring it!
There you go.
I fixed it, but I fucked it up.
It's a special edition to Rave News Network. Yeet.
Oh my god, that is going on the Rave News Network.
How do you feel, chicken?